How do, y'all? This is some of my datura seedlings, but this is not about datura. There, and in several other of the cells in this cell tray. There's one hiding there, there's one. Those are native amaranth plants. They're pretty common out here. The soil mix that I typically use is roughly half and half compost that I've made and native soil from out here. And inevitably, in my pots, there will be growing at least one amaranth plant. These are related to the large garden variety of amaranth that you get seed for, the green type, and they're also good for greens. The leaves, basically the whole plant is edible. But out here, there are several amaranth species, native, that grow wild, that with a little bit of moisture, they come up quite readily. I'm going to see about cultivating these guys. I haven't so far. I either leave them growing in the pots or just pluck them out if they get too thick. In this pot, I originally put that twig there, cutting. It's still flexible, so there's still hope for that. But the amaranth and that grass plant right there, decided that was really good growing conditions for it as well. So there you have it. Most of the amaranth out here is very small. A foot tall would be a big one. As you can see, the ones here are up and flowering at just a couple inches. There's one here, right there. I stopped watering that because there was no datura coming up in that cell, and the amaranth in it quickly came to a demise. I'm going to carefully pick that up and see if it had enough time for the seeds to mature. Like I said, I haven't actually bothered to cultivate these before. They're just another one of the common, in quote, weeds, but they're a native wild edible, so I'm going to see about eating them. I've tried them before and the flavor wasn't really all that much to the leaves, but maybe cultivating them, I can sweeten them up a little bit more, get them to grow a little bit taller. We'll just see what happens. So, we'll see what I can make of this wild edible. Alright, till next time, have a beautiful day.